911, what is your emergency?
I just woke up to a boy sticking tape in my face, telling me that he was going to shoot me.
What's the address that you're at?
Is there any way that you guys can locate where my phone is right now?
No, we can't. That's why I need to know where you are.
I'm feeling really scared right now. Please come.
They're going to come out there, ma'am, but you're going to have to be outside so they can find you. Okay. Ma'am, you're going to have to quit crying so I can get the information from you. Well, they're not going to be able to find him on this information that you've given. We'll send the officers over to talk to you.
You're kidding me, right? I don't know what you deal with every day, but the kind of sympathy you have right now is zero.
A woman calling 911 after an alleged sexual assault. As you can imagine, she was already feeling violated and vulnerable and not happy with the dispatcher's response. Philip, does that surprise you? Are you surprised to hear that coming from the good doctor?
I agree with him in large measure. I'm a former police officer, and there's nothing more frustrating than the dispatcher telling you you've got an emergency situation. Certainly something like this is something you want to get to as quickly as possible. And if you can't get there, it's extremely frustrating for the officers who are trying to do their best to respond. That being said, she probably needs a little training in terms of human relations, because that's just an unacceptable tone to take with a victim.
Now, our Columbus affiliate, WSYZ, reports that the dispatcher won't be reprimanded since, again, the police were able to arrest 30-year-old Michael Callahan. He's been charged with rape and burglary. So do the ends justify the means? I mean, ultimately, we see here that this is an ideal ending. This guy is caught. Does it make the actions of this dispatcher right?
Well, the end result, I think, was the right one to achieve. But I have to go back to what I said earlier. She has to be able to talk to people in a way that helps her get the information, because I think when a dispatcher takes that particular tone, it almost makes her efforts more difficult to get the information that she needs, because the caller is
absolutely
just, the caller's surprise is like.
And what's the caller talking about, right? The caller's not talking about the information.